All right, you guys gotta check this out, man. So I've been hearing rain all night, right? So I look outside, look at this. Can you see that? Oh my God. There's ice on the steps. Everything is ice. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Check this out. Look at the van. Everything covered in ice. Wow. You guys see that? It's all sheet ice. Wow. Yeah. Ice everywhere. Ice, 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 ice. This is the day after Christmas, yo. But you know what? There's some pretty cool shots. I want to try to get some of them. Hell yeah. Later, yo.